principals, respected teachers, special guests, and my dear friends. Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to speak to the topic historical places. India is a country with a rich history and culture. Historical places are like a bridge between the past and the present. When we visit them, we learn many things. This makes history more interesting for the students. Maharashtra is also famous for many historical places. Raigad Fort, Shivneri Fort, Pratapgarh Fort, and Ajanta and Ellora caves are some important examples. Historical places also teach us to respect our culture and traditions. Historical places, but it is our duty to protect these precious places. We should keep these places clean and encourage others to protect them too. So let us respect our historical places and pass their importance to the next generation. At last, I want to say some lines on historical places. A nation's soul is never old. A nation's soul is never old. Its history more precious than gold. Guard these treasures with pride and care. Guard these treasures with pride and care. For they are a legacy we all share. Thank you.